did that.
In heaven, Jesus.
Push that around, push it.
Holy shit, Ryan.
What? Fuck!
One in the leg. Killed me.
Nah, we don't worry, are we?
Nope.
I don't know. I'm not worried. Are you worried? I'm actually really worried, Brent. Are you worried?
Shut up, Josh.
Ah!
I got a single kill.
Alright, if you get this next kill, I'll give you my PC.
Sorry.
Ah!
To me. Yours jump.
Hey Popey, sexy boy. What is your...
You just do it once. It's not hard. God damn. Fuck me.
Panic. There's still more music to come before you're
my God,
completely
that
engulfed
was doing
in the
the
blissful
fucking-
embrace of that little light you see in the distance. Soon you'll be
What the
fuck?
We're ready. Bitch just stole
Do I
my
have permission
fucking
to
vandal.
consensually spank that ass from such a good kill that round, my
That was a mistake.
Why would you run to me, big bro?
I didn't realize.
I can
Sandra.
confirm I was the boner.
Just because the bonus. Just because the bonus.
Huh?
Fuck.
What?
Oh, man.
What you spastic? Oh, you know what's funny?
What? Guys. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I have no.
Didn't touch.
Spike down mid. One enemy remaining.
Okay.
Oh
he's
my.
in B main. My bot triggered it for a second.
We don't get those. We don't get those.
Last player standing.
Okay.
Pussy.
My ult's ready.
Pussy bench. Probably peeking from here.
Boop. Boop.
Gotta get it. 120 on Chambers.
Enemy remaining.
Holy shit, he was
I had
double
ropes,
blinded.
but then it's
We're
wall,
also
so.
Last player standing.
Holy shit.
We have to pull the spike! Let's pull the spike, guys! Let's go, guys!
Amazing! I don't like this at all. That's all good. We good.
Nice try.
We good.
Oh
GG,
wait.
guys. Get a bait fox. Yes.
Nice!
I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me.
Oh, I reds you.
Yes!
Alright, you can...
Where's me?
Not me.
Alright, protect me.
Where's got the bomb?
I got you!
Behind?
No, what?
Last player standing.
Oh.
Raise this at 80. You got this.
We gotta go, bro. We gotta go!
Fine.
So it's fine.
It's got 3 sides. How fucking? That's the dumbest thing in the world.
This game is fucking disgusting.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
You got Spanish for I'm big dick.
Of course you know that. Did Miss Martinez tell you that when he shoved it in your mouth? Big brain strategies! I got a headache. Thank you.
Nice. Eddie on stage. Probably healed though.
Avenge me! Oh,
Let's go. You got a huge cock. Yes!
Let's go!
Oh my god.
It's in the night.
That's so cheerful.